Hi, this video is about garden creativity. In this video, we are going to share with you the creative work, and by sharing this, we want to appreciate the effort and creativity. Through this video, we want to encourage you to use your old stuff in gardening for the decoration. In this video, you may find different kind of creative work by using old boots, pans, cups, pots, umbrellas, even music instruments. So, we do hope this video will give you new ideas to make your garden more attractive and different by giving new look with the help of old and useless stuff. We want to request you to please share your experience of gardening through comments, and also please don't forget to subscribe, like and share the video with others, because your support and appreciation is like oxygen for us. Gardening gives us pleasure as we watch the plants grow. With our care, love, and nature, we see the plants growing and flowers blooming. This is a sight to cherish. Thus, we say gardening gives us a sense of pleasure and enjoyment. From our garden, we can get fruits, vegetables, and flowers. By this, we can enjoy our own hard work. We can get healthy fruits, vegetables, and flowers to decorate. Thus, in this manner, gardening gives us pleasure as we watch the plants grow. With our care, love, and nature, we see the plants growing and flowers blooming. This is a sight to cherish. Thus, we say gardening gives us a sense of pleasure and enjoyment. From our garden, we can get fruits, vegetables, and flowers. By this, we can enjoy our own hard work. We can get healthy fruits, vegetables, and flowers to decorate. If you will take the time to stop and enjoy gardening, you will realize that it can offer you many pleasures. Finding the perfect plant for your garden can even make you feel an essence for accomplishment. If you have got enough space in your garden, you can plant a small pond or a recreation spot into your garden, creating a haven for yourself to simply relax and enjoy the beauty of nature. If there are certain flowers you like, you can incorporate them into particular places in your garden. Each time you step out, you will see those flowers blooming, giving you a true feeling of well-being. At the end of this video, we want to request you to please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.